Hey everybody, Carl here from Ozark Auto Sales. Let me show you what we got here today. We got a 2005 GMC 2500 HD Duramax 6.6 liter turbo. You can kind of see it's got some hail damage on it. Plain to see. Here's a shot of the insides, keyless entry, leather. Look here. Decent set of tires, got new shocks on it. I'll just give you a quick walk around here. It's got 143,000 miles on it. Hitch in the bed. You know, it's far from a perfect truck, but we ought to make you one. Anyway, come out downtown Lebanon, or you can shop online, ozarkautosales.net. I sell used cars here. They sell new ones right up the street. I appreciate each and every one of you. Have a great day.